you are in an area, unfortunately, that is a little bit slower. Talk up to me a little bit about what it's like trying to run a slow shop.
That's, I think, the hardest challenge that I've had so far in my years of Triangle. It's like I had mentioned earlier, I like that fast paced. I like to kind of juggle a day, and at the end of it, feel like, wow, where has my time gone? Just because you're involved in so many different things or trying to push a couple things through. And also, I have to really be positive for the folks that are in my group, because they see what's happening and they're okay, well, what's next? And they're eager also to get the next part on the machine. And when there isn't that next part, it's trying to keep that reassurance and positivity that we're going to be okay. And what I've been really trying to do is focus on the maintenance of the group, and whether that's 5S, which is something that's very important, and now's the time to be doing it, whether it's small projects about getting all of our tools in a box set together with our gauges. So when we are busy, and keeping that optimism up, is when we are busy, we just want to be able to pull what we need and get it right on the machine. So I'm trying to keep little projects kind of in the back of my mind, that when someone says, okay, well, what's next? This is what we're going to have them focus on, because I reassure them that we will be busy, and when we are busy, this stuff isn't going to be our top priority, because we're going to be getting parts off the machine. But right now, it gives us an opportunity that we have the chance to fix a little bit, or kind of restore the systems that we have in place, and let's work on that. So that's been the challenge, but I also have been trying to overcome it by giving these little chances to improve.
Have been trying to look at this scenario as a silver lining and an opportunity, and not woe is us, we don't have as much work as we used to. Right. But when I think back to trying to get side projects accomplished in the past, we've always been just so incredibly busy that we don't have time for that now.
Right.
We'll worry about that later. Later is now.
Exactly.
And now that we have the time, what can we do to improve our processes? What can we do to be prepared for when we get busy again? Because it will come back.
It will.
It's just a matter of time, right?
Exactly. And now is that time. You're absolutely right. And I know something too that we always get a lot of credit for our 5S and just how great our shop looks. And now's the time to even exceed the expectations, and let's make it better. Let's sort, let's segregate certain things. Let's, hey, we need more gauges. We need more tools. Now's the time to be putting these boxes together, so we're ready to roll when it does come back.